In this video, I'm going to be making some merch for my Zine Quest Kickstarter. Alright, we're here in Photoshop. I'm drawing a dragon sticker that is a little exclusive extra included in the print tier for my Dragontown Kickstarter campaign that's going on right now. It's ending in a couple of days. On February 14th is the last day to back the Kickstarter. If you're not familiar with Flick Silverpin's Guide to Dragontown, it is a RPG zine that I'm making. It's part of the Zine Quest Kickstarter campaign thing. So the zine is a setting and an adventure all packed into one little book that gives a dungeon master or a game master everything they need to run this town and this adventure. If you want to find out all the details about the zine and maybe back the project, first link in the description is the Kickstarter. Go check it out. I'm so excited about this project. I've made a bunch of videos on it. There's also going to be a playlist down in the description where you can check out all the Dragontown videos and see the progress I've made on working on it so far. Okay, now on to this sticker that I'm illustrating. So I'm making a little 1-inch button and this die-cut dragon sticker that I'm illustrating right now. So yeah, the reason I'm drawing this sticker is whenever I send mail to people, whether it's friends or somebody who orders something from my online shop, I always include a few extras, a few goodies. And when I was planning this Kickstarter, I knew there had to be something, one of those little extra special things that gets thrown into the package with the zine and all the add-on stretch goals, just as a thank you for backing the project. And really all I want to say with this video, because there's only a couple days left of the campaign, is thank you so much. If you've watched any of these Dragontown videos, if you've shared anything on social media, or if you've backed the Kickstarter, thank you. Right now, as I am recording this video, there are 235 people that have backed the Dragontown Kickstarter, and that blows my mind. You know, I make these videos here on YouTube to hopefully inspire you to create your own D&D or tabletop RPG stuff, whether that's maps or miniatures or whatever. And to get this much support on something that I've created feels very awesome. You know, I've written books and published a bunch of mini comics and tons of other stuff, but to know that this many people are psyched on getting this thing that I'm still in the middle of creating is crazy to me. And honestly, just creating a little sticker and a button doesn't feel like enough of a thank you. I mean, I know that I'm pouring a bunch of time and energy and heart into this Dragontown zine, so, you know, it's not like you're just getting a button and a sticker. I'm just so appreciative, and I can't thank you enough for backing the Kickstarter or sharing it or subscribing to the YouTube channel or commenting on the videos. It's all awesome. It's awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, so like I said, the Kickstarter is going through February 14th. A little very tiny bit on the 15th. But if you are seeing this video later and you're bummed that you missed out on the Dragontown Kickstarter, stay tuned, because once the campaign ends, I will have a pre-order up on my shop. Unfortunately, you won't get the sticker and the button, but the zine's gonna come with a bunch of extra cool stuff. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about the zine or the Kickstarter or the sticker and the button in the comments. I read all the comments. I love talking with you there. I'm gonna say it again. Thank you so much for the support. It means the world to have you watching these videos, checking out the Kickstarter, Dragontown. I wish I could give everybody the biggest high five ever. Alright, here are the Dragontown Kickstarter exclusive sticker and button.